So I want to tell you a little bit about the James River Association. We've been around for 43 years, and our mission is to be guardians of the river. We want to take care of the river. The river once back in the 60s and 70s was on a list of one of the most polluted rivers in all of America. There were definitely industrial chemicals and a pesticide known as ketone that actually plagued the health of the river. And for the last 43 years, we've worked really hard to restore the health of the river.
Good morning, students. My name is Charles Johnson. I am an environmental educator with the James River Association. Today, we're going to be talking about the bald eagle. Do you think they are tamed or wild animals? Yes, they are wild animals. The James River is home to a lot of bald eagles, so they can be found on the river, our oceans, and any large bodies of water. What do you think our bald eagles eat? Our bald eagles tend to eat fish or any small animals that they can find close to our large water sources. They can be even found eating dead things, so we call them scavengers as well. How do you think the bald eagles move from one place to another? They fly. So yes, their form of transportation would be their wings, and they fly from one point to another to gather their food source. What type of covering is on their body? Bald eagles have feathers that cover their body like skin would cover us humans. So here I have a talon of a bald eagle. Like humans have hands, these birds have talons. So they have 3 claws in the front and 1 here in the back. And they use these for capturing their prey. I also have here an egg of a bald eagle. So this egg, as you can see, is a fairly large egg, so a lot larger than the eggs you may have for breakfast.
Hi students, my name is Captain Aaron. I'm the Master Captain and Environmental Educator for the James River Association. We're out here on the James River today, and we are going to talk about our next species, which is a fish that lives in the James River. This fish right here is known as a white perch. It is a very common species of fish in the James River. So do you think this is a domestic species or a wild species? That's right, it's a wild species that lives right here in the river. If you look, you can see the fins all around the fish that help it balance and swim through the water. You can also see right here its gills that are moving. This is what allows the fish to be able to breathe underwater and be able to live in its habitat. Right here on the side of the fish, you can see the scales that the fish have that help protect its body. Different types of water pollution can impact the life of the white perch.
Hi students, it's Nat Draper again. I want to introduce you to a unique species or animal called a gypsy moth caterpillar. Gypsy moth caterpillars live on the land and they're considered a wild species. Gypsy moth often live in trees and shrubs and they build their homes in them, as you can see right here. Gypsy moth caterpillars as young can crawl and they have soft bodies with a little bit of fur on them. But as they become adults, what do they change into? That's right, they change into moths with wings and antennae, okay? And as the gypsy moth moves around when it's young, they often eat the leaves of trees, and they actually can be a nuisance. Forests are one of the most valuable habitats in our region. They provide homes or habitat for many types of different animals, like woodpeckers, squirrels, chipmunks, and deer. Forests also give us wood that we use for our homes, paper, and many other products. When forests are cut down, the animals that live there have to find another place to live until the forest can grow back. That is why it is important to have lots of forest around. Forests also keep our streams and James River clean, so we always want to protect the forest next to the water.